Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss various parts of Excel worksheet. You can find more videos on SPSS, RStudio, Excel, Mathematical Economics, and Econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin with the title bar. Here we have the title bar, and on title bar, you can see the name of the worksheet. So here it is book 1. If you save this worksheet as XYZ, then XYZ will be displayed here. Then we have menu bar. In menu bar, we have various menus available in Excel. So we have home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help. And each menu contains various tools. So here we have toolbar. You can see in home we have conditional formatting or format as table or delete tool, or if you click on page layout, then you have some other tools. If you click on data, you have some other tools. So each menu contains various tools. Then we have name box. In name box, you can actually see the name of the cell, selected cell. So right now A1 is selected. If I select D2, then you can see D2 here. If I select B5, then B5 will be written here. Then we have the formula bar. If you use any formula, then you can see the formula here in the formula bar. Then we have sheet tabs here, down left corner. If you want to insert another sheet, you can simply click on plus sign to insert the new sheet. If you again click on plus, another sheet will be inserted. So this is how you can insert the new sheet. And then we have the scroll bar here. You can scroll leftward, rightward, or you can scroll upward and downward. So this is the idea of Excel worksheet. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.